People are beneficiaries of a corrupt system. Now, can you imagine? Say, NPA. Now, may share some of the challenges. You cry. Now, are there any existence? Can you believe that people were still taking fuel and taking it to a non-existent place in this country? Really? Business. You red flagging a lot of the tankers, the OMCC, but you red flag
all this while we knew this and we allowed it.
I'm saying even the resistance for the Sǒftwårɇ is super high. Akati bibia obi.
Amount for benefit.
I'm saying Akati bibia filling station where can ain't possible. It tells you the whole Ghana filling station. The level of I'm really? Telling you. I did NPA for you know. I will urge Dr. Bawumia say all apply with all other areas. Obia Besru. I don't know, but I'm saying last year.
Oh, last
under
year,
the vice president. Anytime I catch say Nanado is not far from right. Yet Sikasu don't want to mismanage this cano. Yet Sikasu Ghana shouldn't be going beyond our borders to go and look for or search for money or beg for money. Never. Yet Sikasu, but you open up your toe. Ana emudahona manfo wiye sikano. Eti ye tisikaso papa. Eti come the entry and toko na. Ebekoso diam yako stress. I'm telling you, just 6 months in operation of this software. Sika agada to ho ama NPA ne Ghana no. You are asking yourself why e-levy?
It is a loophole.
Why e-levy?
And that's something.
Why e-levy? Governments across board in our beneficiaries. Amongst them near this current government. Adie bia fa krono bon Ghana ni mpeso be sia no kwan because obenya won fa so at the expense of Ghana. Adie bia fa krono bon. Adie bia government successive government now inclusive is this government. About we cry the skills no or cha be di pele. Oh yes, seriously serious. And I'm referring say meaning some referee who say omo de ketase se ntokwa ne baya so omo be kwatia ketase and I'm referee so omo referee omo say they you know power them say how you drunk afi ka bibia won ti de keka MPP please Osaboju eti I encourage MPA
yes.
They should resist every frustration. Now, everything there. Anyone wants to talk? I mean, anything. I know Bibi Basai is so. Anyone. Now, boss to know so I want to know this. Oh, we are straight delivery. No, I will discharge now. They can boss to know so. A whole same baby. I did call it as a bupa and a command. It graphic me chachi according business movement. Can and movements in Kwan. Hey, Nadia Granny.
And so, Omo was our tongue.
Movement our system name. Leakage is our system name. But for NPA for intervention 6 months. Dama for we power my remove. There's too much money in this country. Too much money for us to go a begging.
For individuals.
It's going to individuals.
I wouldn't say related to this.
Too much money.
Hey, Juma.
Exactly my point. But because your handicap, they say we move filling up now because we don't investigative journalists. It's almost no and yes, to me a better CSM near to me because my better catch Moja won't come obedi. Me said a doctor for nan Kasaubi. We have given you the power to manage the affairs of this country for us. As you say, I am Kobi. Decisions are taken without even recourse to your memo phone. Typical example of an Alcotown. So can you say charge near double party? It's a party. It can be a mobile on this town hall. Whether if you are a bemos, whatever, it should be stopped. Town hall for what? For e-levy. So without e-levy, there's no opportunity for us to do any taxation system in the country again. There's no other means. There's no other means for us to make sure say ye acquire ye person ye input to ye person ye bet okay ye do we buy no apima na empim saying hwe mo push na mo te parliament empim saying you still don't have the numbers. MPP for still don't have the numbers. They don't have the numbers. It's yes say mo pa mo bu man na sa lifestyle when I'm be lead the chair. Oh no. It will be difficult. But I cannot continuously tilt my belt.
Yeah.
Now obi the unknown why mean say pampia di peche. Ain't possible. Ain't possible.
The last time I
Ain't possible.
Yeah, suggestion be wa.
Possible.
If I remember, say, who said you maybe for its symbolic effect.
Yeah.
In the young fan say, in the midst of this whole conversation around E11,
Yes.
now President recent trip.
Yeah.
Why a public announcement? I can say, yes, ordinarily, ABA presidential jet, no any in good condition.
Yeah.
Mean me fan call long trip.
Yeah.
Okujeto is disputing that.
Yeah.
But let's grant that benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
So mean me fan call long trip.
Yeah.
But because of a mirai woman,
Yeah.
because one, the actual cost no more my entry.
Exactly.
And for now, Okujeto the end.
I don't
Good.
So,
Can you imagine? Say, ABA president by our public statement, no. Say for this and this reason, you know. Omonhănǝ and I just obefa commercial flight on this trip.
Yeah.
To create that effect in the minds of the people. Say,
Yeah.
times are tough.
Yeah.
And I'm also doing things to reflect
the times are tough.
we are in.
Yes.
You know, but maybe say okofa commercial flight. I see your friend say business class. And you want more mugu economy.
No, Obi, the okay crowd.
And say Omonhănǝ koko business class.
Yeah.
Say no enough. And it sent the right signal. And sometimes I just
MPP is not doing political communication. I would almost say they know what time is it. That's exactly what they are doing to us. They know what time is it. Now, dear correct me, baby, your prayer is not in Chirimoa brain. They should stop their town hall engagements. No, they should. They better come back to the drawing table, engage stakeholders, look at other options where we can.
You're part of
No. Yempe live structure. No. Yempe how they have adopted to push onto us. Yempe obi na dey tikọ na telco so mo nkọsha omachi. Now the telco so nko din komo another option. Now on kase madaroma the emoji yempe say fia bi frame. Etimu mpia
no,
nko fa.
But mind you say telcos no. Ba ko pe na charge you.
No, hold on.
Free.
But that's not me bom tie. Whichever way a person want to.
Yes.
We are using the e-measure. I'm saying that there are other options that we can use. I'm giving you just an option. Even if it's Bakokra Neji and a person will identify one. Obi, there are so many ways in killing a cat. Now, this approach for e-levy, I beg to differ.
No, why I am not in support of the call, say Omunyai stakeholder engagement, and say in principle, we said here, say in principle, we are not against the e-levy. What we are against, the rate,
but Obi,
1.75. That's what we are against.
Now, government should find itself why it wants to take that kind of money from us. For explanation, one convincing reason why you think that money should be deducted from your wallet. Why? Government should find a better means.
You've not. I'm saying that reason.
No, I'm saying that I've not gotten to that point. I'm saying I've not gotten to that point. Government should explain better. Say, Kwete, Nisika a good wallet is no. May GBF free so. Now, DNT are making any government should explain better. Me first can now me capital better. Me find you maybe. I know there's just let's rest that matter for another time. But I'm saying, say, Omonhănǝ demonstrating said times are not in, we are not in normal times. Now you bread any could you talk black what they be a calculation is not the man. You bread because he's taking advantage of the space. He's taking too much advantage. Nobody disagrees that the president of the land is of essence or a priority, the number one gentleman. But Charlie, when we are going for 6 billion and 7 billion, just 10 trips ever cover. Me say, Bawumia me man the pluses no on a certain automation on Mustafa Hamid means at the times the buy there. Oh my NPA.
Yeah.
Tell you. I think say a buying beer or Ghana. Epese chrono bopa ultimate complete to minimal. There cost you NPA no. Mamenda Mustafa, I don't know that. Mamenda na say. And if the vice president, I understood say the vice president and lunches last year. You can't believe this.
Oh really?
You can't believe it. You can't believe it. Now, OMCs no so far so be can now. Nipa we petrol Ghana pa there chrono how because we are all beneficiaries. Yempe kwa be say ano kwan. Oil pa ya we wo man Ghana mu no. Now share Sǒftwårɇ mo dia ba MP ona adwuma e dia.
Wow.
Just too serious. Very, very, very serious. And then, temper with any a shame be our and woman there's not open for question post not this charge issue oil no open for so far just to make sure so the level back open diverti natural na call trebu pena for room na call baby.
I'm hoping sir
baby
in charge of the system and compromise.
You cannot compromise because NPA or so other bare 4 people and at the same time they are monitored. You cannot compromise. But no crown stress our system because a lot of illegal movements it's been cut off. Just about 6 months. Revenue see generate Ghana MPA for no.
Oh really?
Just check it. I don't know why. Say personal information. I do the normal dodgy. I don't know why.